Viewers and subscribers, welcome back to another upload. Please like the video, please subscribe if you have not subscribed. Today we're going to be talking about the great work that Sean Kingston did, calling on some of Jamaican most popular artists like Craft same way, New Dancehall, you see me, and also Family. So when you can check out the performance, viewers and subscribers, then when you leave, when you comment. You see me? Alright, let's jump right into it.
Yesterday shot a man, now I pick him up anytime. Give me rhythm. Yo. Let me see what I see that them go so night time for me.
Yo, Steve.
All I want make money like
Remember you said me.
Watch your style.
Like one doodle job. Rhythm. Talkie fuck. Talkie now. Talkie now. Pagadance. Talkie now. Talkie now. That is forever, man. Talkie now. Talkie now. This is how we all get stuck in the air. With the panel and richer than Pharaoh.
Pull it up. Mother, I hold on them one night time, you believe? Over here saw me a party with.
I want to the grab, got it.
Over here saw me a party with.
Yo, Steve.
Hey, Kingston.
Remember you said we.
Make the whole world see.
The whole world see.
Alive.
Like
One good trap. Rhythm.
Rhythm.
Talkie now. Talkie now. Talkie now.
Pagadance.
Talkie now. Talkie now.
That is forever, man.
Talkie now.
Talkie now.
This is we all get stuck in the air. With the panel and richer than Pharaoh. This is psycho money and a Air Force Ranger. I send me pressure than Mentos. All of me dancing on floor. And if you want to learn, take a pay out of the book. Jump on the line and we better hold foot. Flashy hear the bang at the get the place that you know why madness. Mad people left on the ground. Again I'm mad. Come out. No. Give me rhythm. Hey, Kingston. That's how we feel like party. Come and feel like party. Money. Come and feel like party. Wanna sing with me now? What a style. Dance like a motherfucker. Let's go to the down. Play a more picture. Pull up on the door. Tell a girl steady with. Get up, steady, show up. Play everything. Steady with the 6-1. Play a roll the thing up. None of them make them down. Then they lift your link up. Money like me. I love to lift your link up. But I'm gonna put it up. Oh, me link up. Oh, look up. That's how we feel like party. Rhythm. Play on the shift of what people are working. Give me some noise for me extra on it, don't do that. And I can feel it all. And I can, even if I could, it'd all be great. But your picture's on my wall, and that reminds me that it's not so. It's not so. Rally. Swagging, hey Kingston, how we be there? Party, snapping, capping, give me bad mix now. Pull up that flying sass again, I say she want me out, I say she want me big. Take a room and make me grab and make me so kill up a lot of pounds, I wanna live. She a call me name, I say she a go make me mad. be a problem. You don't see me now, they want to sell a picture. I'm ready for that chopper. I'm going to go Canada. I'm ready for Canada. Hey, police there. Shut up, man. Give me rhythm. Let me see what I put them in that crowd, what's up? The run finish it. Yeah, look at that crowd. Okay. Play. Feel that shot things one at a time. Rhythm. What is this? Case head one, jelly goes back down. 6 feet 9, berry 16, no heavy, I'm ready for berry, send jelly finish. I brought no berry, now your face very sexy, got the 2020 Chevy running cool here. Make sure run already, chef cooking with the pattern like a boy is steady. Do so now, I'm here, next time me up east. Cookie one in hand, me not talking. Face it one, crime and the classic, that's it man. I'm darling, hey Kingston. Shut up, man, no, I'm picking up one at a time. Billy. Only thing, God. Make some noise for the boys' crowd. Make some noise, Jamaica. Hey, yo, nice. You know, say I'm good today, since we come from some big song. I want to run that shit, let's go. We can go to the tropics, sipping up. Shawty, I could. Oh, we can go to the slums where killers get hung. Shawty, I could. You know I could take ya. Shawty, I could take you there. You know I could take ya. I could take ya. Shawty, I could. Kingston, put your hand here right now. Kingston, Jamaica, we don't come as a player. You know, we represent Jamaica to the fullest. I feel it grown. I always say, nice. You bring somebody with a real icon of Jamaica. We're not too talk, you know. Jamaica, run the big team. I want to hear my song, Kingston Brown. I want to hear my song, Kingston Brown. What everybody do? Every fortnight, every fortnight. Coming on your man trip, what's a black car? Coming on your man trip, what's a black car? Yeah, man. That's what I say, evil.
Die, motherfucker, die.
Evil. What's the evidence? Tell me next one. Don't get full of energy now. Talk them out. I believe in We don't power, we don't fear, bro. say no, she on your body. Don't talk like a woman. When you say you're gonna be my blood, I'm starting to this me now when I give myself out, send me the sugar. I don't know that I'm frozen, man. See, I never saw. Let's go, let's go. That's how you run, oh yeah. Walking a picture of it, and it was she a chest of it. And I let go now. My God, and some style. And go to the man. What am I doing? Look, what is that in this? The power in the fear road now. Levels. They go Sean Kingston. Say Gaza. Say Sparta. Come in on your one trip, but I don't come. One more time. Come in on your one trip, but I don't come. Yeah, man. Double time. Hey, the boy, put up with that shoot. You don't care where you come from. Yeah, I think I'm gonna tell. I want to go and tell you. God is good. Even there. Yeah, my friend. Yeah. Kingston! Hold on there. Kingston, everybody put on the camera lights there. Everybody put on the lights there right now. Camera lights up, camera lights up. Light up the whole place. Camera light, camera light, camera light. She is very divine, yeah. Driving me crazy. 'Cause you're way too beautiful, girl. That's why it'll never work. You have me suicidal. Suicidal. When you say it's over, damn all these beautiful girls. They only wanna do you dirt. They have you suicidal. Suicidal. When they say it's over. Jamaica, put your hand on the let's go.
If you wasn't subscribers, me not gonna lie, I like what Sean Kingston do. Call on Craft, call on Tommy Lee also. You see me? It's a great look, great performance, you see me? And Sean Kingston, you don't know. We all know Sean Kingston, you see me? We never forget him because I want a Jamaican see him, you see me? Yeah man, no matter if I'm born in Miami, in family or Jamaican, you get me? So what me have to say is, good show, you see me? I like the performance and I respect what Sean Kingston do for the Jamaican artists them, you see me? Because remember, you know, a man on a book for Chris Brown show, you know. Sean Kingston call on, you know, you get me? So a good look that for Jamaican see him, you see me? Like the move. If you like, comment and say views and subscribers, just leave it in the comment section. Please like, subscribe, share if you haven't. Until the next one, I'm out.